viewers, welcome to our channel. In this video, I am going to present Constitution of India GK. The Constitution describes India as Answer: Union of States. Which part of Indian Constitution deals with fundamental rights? Answer: Part 3. A money bill is introduced in? Answer: Lok Sabha. How many languages are in Indian Constitution 8th schedule? Answer: 22. Total number of schedules in Indian Constitution? Answer: 12. Panchayati Raj comes in which schedule of Constitution? Answer: 11th schedule. From which country Indian Constitution borrowed fundamental rights? Answer: America, USA. From which country Indian Constitution borrowed fundamental duties? Answer: Russia, USSR. From which country India borrowed 5 years plan? Answer: Russia, USSR. From which country Indian Constitution borrowed concurrent list? Answer: Australia. Which article deals with organization of village panchayat? Answer: Article 40. Which article relates to the establishment of Finance Commission? Answer: Article 280. Which article deals with Uniform Civil Code? Answer: Article 44. Municipalities comes under which schedule? Answer: 12th schedule. Constitution of India came into effect from? Answer: 26 January 1950. Who is the first Deputy Prime Minister of India? Answer: Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel. Who is the famous writer of Introduction to the Constitution of India? Answer: Durgadas Basu. Who gave the idea of Constitution of India? Answer: M.N. Roy. Who is empowered to declare national emergency? Answer: the President. Right to vote in India is a? Answer: constitutional right. From which country Indian Constitution borrowed Supreme Court? Answer: America, USA. The idea of single citizenship taken from which country? Answer: Britain. From which country Indian Constitution borrowed Union State list? Answer: Canada. From which country Indian Constitution borrowed Speaker in Lok Sabha? Answer: Britain, UK. Which amendment is known as Mini Constitution? Answer: 42nd Amendment. In which amendment did right to property is removed from the fundamental rights? Answer: 44th Amendment, 1978. In which amendment did the voting age is lowered from 21 to 18? Answer: 61st Amendment. 4th Amendment Act of Indian Constitution passed in which year? Answer: 1971. How long it took to drafting the Constitution of India? Answer: 2 years, 11 months, 18 days. Thank you viewers for watching this video. Please like, share and subscribe.